First impression is maganda. Oo, maganda talaga. Even the ceilings are very nice. Very good interior. So, siguro yan lang. Siguro you must have a reception that is very good.
The service that we have experienced here at this branch is excellent.
Siyempre, pagdating sa service, complete package. Yung pag-upong-pag-upo mo pa lang, alagang-alaga ka na, hindi mo naiintindihan yung sasakyan kahit anong mangyari.
First impression ko mismo sa lugar, ang laki. Oo, spacious talaga. So, dami na lang pwedeng i-handle na sasakyan.
That's the best eh. Pagka naka-schedule ka, when you come in, ando na yung name mo. There is no VIP treatment. All customer are VIP.
So gusto ko parang welcoming. Kumbaga parang pagpasok ka lang, uy, ay okay dito. Kumbaga parang ang kausap mo lang parang, uy, kaibigan ko to, mas pagkakatiwalaan ko to.
Sa Hyundai, yung gusto ko, nasa-serve nila siguro sa design ng car. Design pa lang panalo na, kaya Hyundai yan.
Hyundai Kenta, I want them to serve us the same way as the car is, you know, efficient, reliable.
Gusto ko Hyundai.